Hello, welcome to Teaching with Tard. I said hello, welcome to Teaching with Tard.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Today we're going to go over basic notation. This video is 18 plus. This video is 18 plus because I have my limits and I can't go below 18, else you're too young for me.
And what is basic notation?
So basic notation starts with a series, a division of notes, or how notes are read. The first one is a whole note.
Oh.
The whole notes are my favorite because if you put two together, what do they look like?
Yeah!
Yep. And if you just, if you put two dots, they kind of look like boobs. And if you draw one long slur, it kind of looks like my favorite.
A quarter note.
Yeah. So anyway, here's what? Oh. So a whole note is just like a circle. The next one is a half note. Half note looks like that. Half note. Half note. Quarter note is filled. And that's a quarter note. Now, it's noted that if you're in three-quarter time or 3/4 time, you got 3/4 notes. They're still called 3/4 notes, even if there is a bar line. There's 3/4 notes. They're still called 3/4 notes. They don't change to like thirds. They're still called quarter notes because it's subdivided. It's a subdivision of the whole note
You didn't
itself.
explain the top and bottom better.
Because I already mentioned it before.
Right. Basically, the top is the
I can't help.
beat and
I
the
can't
voice.
help but keep thinking that there's supposed to be two, and that's supposed to say Sabrina Jean. Sabrina Jean was here.
Sabrina Jean loves it long.
And then once I draw down there, I say Paul was here.
Go get Paul.
And then it goes straight down to an eighth note.
An
Eighth note can look like this or like that. Eighth note. By the way, my handwriting's not this shitty. It's just I'm trying to speed this along. And then there's 16th notes, which is 4, 4, 4, 4. So by the way, it can go to 32nd. It can go to 64th, but it's rare. Rare occasion. You just split that up.
You gotta move out of the way. It's hard to see.
Oh.
I don't recommend using red either next time.
Because you can't
Use
see it.
black.
It'll probably show up. So that's basic notation. The whole note, once again, is just a whole note. That's just sex cell, so that's why I did it. And that's it. Whole note, half note, quarter note, eighth note, 16th note, and that's the notation that you guys need to know, the notes. So that sums it up for today's lesson. Thank you. Thank you for teaching with Tard.
They can hardly read it, dumbass.
It's about the comical relief.